We can only add or subtract like terms. But why is it so? Think of it like this. On a table, we have 3 pencils and 2 books. We cannot add the 3 pencils to the 2 books because they are not the same kind of objects. Now, if we get another 3 pencils and 5 books, altogether, we now have 6 pencils and 7 books. Now again, we can't combine these objects since they are different. However, if we remove 1 pencil from 6 pencils, then we are left with 5 pencils, but still we have the 7 books. So you can say it's quite similar with algebra. We can only add or subtract only similar objects.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.